Okay guys, what I want to show you in this video is how to access the Communication Edge. That's where you're going to find all your videos, all your PDF files, pictures, images, things that you can put in websites. You can send the videos to people via Bitly, which I'll show you in another video. So anyway, Communication Edge is where all of our sales tools are, so to speak. So if you've followed my last video or my other videos on creating your widgets and you've got your Communication Edge as a shortcut right here, you just click right inside here. If it's not there, you can come over here to My Business, come down underneath Prospecting, and there it is, Communication Edge. We're going to left click on that. Alright, this is kind of cool. So if this is your first time logging into or clicking on Communication Edge, there's going to be a waiver or a disclaimer that you're going to have to agree to, terms that you're going to have to agree to. And basically, I mean, there's a lot of information there. Read through it if you wish. You have to sign the bottom or initial the bottom, check that, and say that I agree. And basically it's saying you're not going to spam people by going into the Communication Edge, grabbing videos, and just sending out mass emails to people that are not either expecting it or have agreed to receiving these emails or receiving this information. So you don't want to spam people. You don't want to get your name stuck on a list that's going to blackball you from being able to do what you need to do here. So once you do that, you're going to find the Communication Edge here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the search, because you can search once you start getting in there, or you've talked to some of your team members and they say, dude, there's a really great video on, it's called This is USANA. So what I'm going to type in, I'm just going to type in the word USANA, and we're going to search that. Now I'm sure it's going to bring up all kinds of stuff that has USANA in it, all right? So it's huge. There's all this information, right? So these are going to be PDF files, which you can notice right there. These are going to be video files, which you can see right there, MP4 videos. These right here are social posts. So if you want to put something on social media, you can do that in here. Don't spam on social media. Nobody likes you to be posting all these different salesy things on your personal wall, on your Facebook page and things like that. That'll be for another video, but let's say all I want to look at for right now is I want to look at videos. You can come over here to the side where it says type, scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to click on videos. It's going to refine my search so that all I see is now videos. And I know there's a video called This is USANA. So what I'm going to type in is This is USANA. And boom, there it is. That's the first one. And it's called This is USANA. And you can also see it pulled up some other videos. So if I want to look at this video, I can click on it right here to make sure that this is the video I want to send to my friend or whoever. You can actually play that by clicking on it right here. So you can preview the whole video. You can see how long it is really quickly right there. You can come over here to the top right corner and you can actually download this video to your computer, so that from that point going forward you don't have to rely on the internet. You don't have to rely on having service, Wi-Fi, anything like that, because that file is on your computer, saved there locally. You can email it to people directly from here. You can actually get the link. Now this is Facebook and this is Twitter. You can actually get the link for the video, which will link it to your back office with your information, which I highly recommend doing. And again, I'm going to show you how to do this in another video. But you can click on that right there, and it'll bring up this big long link right here. And you can copy that. You can highlight the whole thing. Whoops. You can highlight the whole thing, and you can right click and you can copy that and you can paste it in an email to send to somebody, for instance. So you can do a lot with this. So I wanted to show you that. I'm just going to close that out. This is USANA. That's actually a video I use quite often. By Omega. This is another great video. Someone's interested in fish oil. And there's some how-to videos. So let me just change this search to how-to. Now this is going to bring up, there's a how-to right there, how to invite people to learn more about USANA, how to teach or promote duplication, how do you invest in yourself, how do you deal with rejection, that's a good one, Everybody has rejection. How do you handle objection about time? I don't have time to do this business. I don't have enough money to do this business. So these are all great videos that I encourage you to take a look at. So that's a little bit about Communication Edge. Get in there, play around with it. I'm going to uncheck that. There's a lot of search ways, search things in here. So let me tell you real quick, the PowerPoints for how to do an actual USANA Health and Freedom presentation is in here. So if we click Microsoft Office, and let's get rid of this and just put in the word health. There's healthy mixer presentations. There's health and freedom presentations, and these are all in PowerPoint because I clicked on the Microsoft Office one. So you can actually download a PowerPoint presentation on how to share USANA with someone who's really interested. So again, Communication Edge, the go-to place for all your electronic tools, videos, cards, e-cards. That's right there. So get in here and play around with this. See what you have at your fingertips, right? Booklets and brochures. Oh, I thought they were in there. You can actually find all the different PDFs that are in here about the weight loss, healthy mixers, digestion and detox packs. So everything's in here. So I'm going to close that window out. I'm back to my back office, the hub. Again, Communication Edge, get in there, play around with it, use those tools, let those tools do the work for you. You shouldn't be out there talking to people, explaining all these things. Send them a video, let them see that, let them see how easy it is, because you know what? They're going to say, I can do that. So, Communication Edge, I hope that helps. I look forward to the next one. See you soon.